Hello everyone, my name is Chelson April EWA, a third-year student of Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 44 sounds of English language. Understanding synthetic phonics 44 sounds. Do you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet? Let's go through them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. In this 26 letter, there are 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. Let's find the vowel letters. A, E, I, O, and U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters are consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So now we will see how the 26 letters make 44 different sounds. From 5 vowel letters begin 19 vowel sounds, and from 21 consonant letters we got 25 consonant sound. This 19 vowel sound is divided in 6 short vowel sounds, 6 long vowel sounds, 5 R-controlled vowel sounds, and 2 diphthongs vowel sounds. This 25 consonant sounds is divided as 18 consonant sound and 7 digraph sounds. So now let's start in 6 short vowel sounds. E, apple, cat, E, egg, bread, E, ink, busy. O, orange, wash. O, mug, blood. O, book, pool. U. So these are the 6 short vowel sounds. So now let's look the 6 long vowel sounds. A, table, break. A, E, teeth, sit. E, I, pie, fly. O, goat, snow. O, you, few. U, moon, shoe. So these are 6 long vowel sounds. So now let's look 5 R-controlled sounds. R, car, park. R, or, corn, horn. Or, turn, bird, verb. Or, air, air, fair, square, air, ear, ear, fear, dear, ear. So now let's go to the two diphthong sounds. I, coin, boy, ow, ow, ouch, cow, ow. And now let's go to the 18 consonant sounds. B, b, bat, rabbit, b, d, d, dog, ladder, d, f, fish, potato, g, g, girl, egg, g, hat, who, j, j, juice, giraffe, j, k, k, kite, school, k, l, l, lion, bell, l, man, hammer, nest, no, p, p, pear, apple, p, p, rat, right, sun, circle, t, tiger, button, t, van, ob, water, whale, yak, yellow, zebra, cheese, So now, let's look 7 digraph sounds. 2 letters combined to make one new sound. Ch, ch, chair, touch, ch, sh, sh, sheep, station, sh, t, t, tongue, with, t, d, d, that, day, d, w, what, when, w, sing, ting, vision, azure, vision, azure, Thank you, and that's it. The 44 sounds of English alphabet.